All right, everyone. Happy Monday or Tuesday, or well, hopefully not Tuesday, but hopefully Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Any of those days would work to watch this video. But hopefully you are getting ready for the Chapter 3 test. And so today's video for Monday is just going to be me walking you through what you need to do. Okay, so for Monday, we are going to work on Chapter 3 closure. You should have done the Chapter 3 review. Okay, and you should have uploaded those pictures by Sunday at midnight. And then today's work, this Chapter 3 review closure, is due by tomorrow, Tuesday night at midnight. Okay, now to get to it, you just go to Chapter 3, go down all the way down to closure. On closure, I just wanted to go through a couple things of what you needed to do or what you're going to see. Okay. First thing I want to do is we're going to skip this part right up here. And you see it goes straight to the problems. Okay, problem 118, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, all the way up to 26 is what your task is required. 127 you do not need to do. It's just verifying whether you know how comfortable you feel with the material. Okay, I do want to point out, of course, the answers are at the bottom. And here are the answers, and I do expect you to check your work for all of the problems. If you get a problem wrong, you should fix it and try to work through how to do it. Okay, but the other thing I want to focus on is this right here, math notes boxes. I really need to stress the fact that math notes boxes are a critical skill that you need to look over. When we do tests, a lot of times we look at this and we make sure that there's some of this information included on most tests, okay? So you will need to know like discrete and continuous graphs. You will have to have some idea of parabolas, independent variables, what it takes for a complete graph. Circle, vocabulary, circumference and area, how to find that. Remember the problem we just did on Friday on dealing with circumference and area. Solving linear equations and solving one variable. So if you're not sure of how to do any of this, go to it, like click on here. If you're like distributive property, what is that? Click on it. It'll take you straight to, slowly, but it'll take you straight to the math notes box. It talks about the distributive property. And then you can just do the back arrow to get back to where you were, okay? But you really want to make sure you look over those math notes boxes because a lot of times we deal with those topics in the test, okay? So circle, vocabulary, circumference, area, all those things are things that we might address on the test and you need to know. So your task for today is to do the closure problems 118 through 126. Check your answers, make sure you're good. You are not going to upload a picture of this as the answers are already there. I mean, it's really on you that you do it and then you do it correctly and that you check to make sure your answers are correct. If you don't do it, it'll show up on the test, okay? So you're not going to do well on the test if you don't do these problems. So please make sure you do the problems. If you got questions, feel free to ask. I will be on Google Meet from 2 to 2:30 on Monday in case you have questions, specific questions. Don't come to me saying, teach me, I don't get it. No, you need to be specific on what you need help with, but I'll be there if you need some help. Got it? All right, that's it for today. So do the closure problems, and Wednesday is our test. Got it? Good luck. See you later.